Ano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Sama natin si Mark dahil siya yung nagluluto ng ating mga steak for today. Ayan. So, saktong-sakto guys, day off namin and nandito kami ngayon sa isang private villa dito sa Angeles City. And nagpadala ng mga food natin for today ay si MV Prime Steak. Grabe naman, Mark. Look at this. Guys, if you're just with me, sobrang bango. Sobrang bango ng niluluto ni Mark. And actually, ito yung mga uso ngayon. DIY, cook it yourself, or backyard cooking. You don't need to go to an expensive restaurant just for you to experience mga prime steaks. Yun. So, how are you doing?
So ito, excited na akong kumain kasi amoy pa lang sarap na ako.
Sarap na sarap na guys. Ayan. So, ayun nga. These are from MV Prime Steak. Mention lang natin yung mga product line ng MV Prime Steak. So meron silang premium rib eye steak, premium tenderloin steak, USDA choice boneless Angus rib eye. Meron din silang USDA choice of Angus tomahawk. Grabe naman yon. What is this? Kuchidoke Suteki Wagyu cubes. Basta ito yon. Ayan. And then meron din tayong Royal Norwegian salmon. Ayan. Yung mga MV Deli naman, so meron silang premium tapa, cured bacon, wagyu patties, Hungarian sausages, and ito, mga yan. Usually mga Hungarian sausages natin dito. And so I think this is the bacon and cheese. So more of their steaks guys. Again, if you're interested to check them out, do this at your home, cook it yourself, do it yourself cooking. Konting effort lang dito guys, talagang masasatisfy pa rin kayo kasi in itself is sobrang sarap na. There you have it guys. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to enjoy yung mga quality and premium steak at the comfort of your home, or kung saan man kayo mapunta, like nandito kami ngayon sa isang private villa dito sa Angeles, we still enjoy this kahit hindi na kami pumunta sa restaurant. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Warren Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.